If you want to partially lower your soft top into the Sunrider position, you can choose from the following configurations: rear window and quarter windows installed, rear window and quarter windows removed, rear window installed and quarter windows removed. Please note, both quarter windows should be installed or removed together. To remove the rear window, open the swing gate, then remove the plastic retainers at the lower right and left corners. To release the swing gate bar from its right and left retainers, hold the bar and rotate it outward and up. Next, holding the window in place, slide the tailgate bar to the left and separate it from the rear window. Store it in a safe location. Remove the plastic retainers from both quarter window pillars. Finally, keep the rear window level and slide it to the left until it fully separates from its retainer. Be careful not to pull downward while removing the rear window, or you could damage the retainer. When you're done, store the window in the soft window storage bag, if equipped, or another safe location. Next, remove the quarter windows. Reach through the rear opening, push the bottom corner outward, and release the tab from the bottom of the window pillar. Undo the hook and loop fastener at the upper front corner of the quarter window. Then, remove the plastic retainer from along the bottom of the window. Start at the rear of the vehicle and work your way to the front. Continue with the retainers up the front of the window. Keep the window level and slide it toward the rear until it separates from its retainer. When you're done, store it in the soft window bag, if equipped, or another safe location. To lower the soft top into the Sunrider position, first, move to the front of the vehicle and fold both sun visors forward against the windshield. Then, pull the handle downward to release the header latches from the crossbar. Make sure each hook fully disengages its receiver. Lift the number 1 bow of the soft top on both the driver and passenger sides, then move to the side of the vehicle and use the side link to fold the soft top back into the Sunrider position. If you want to leave the top in the Sunrider position, wrap the 2 hook and loop fastener straps, found in the center console, around the linkage to secure it in place. Do not wrap them around the door rail. The soft top is now partially lowered. If you want to completely lower the soft top, you must first remove the rear window and then the quarter windows. Then, remove the hook and loop fastener straps, if previously secured, and move to the rear of the vehicle. Find the Sunrider latch beneath the number 6 bow on the driver's side. Pull the latch downward and let the soft top slide freely toward the rear in the guide tracks until it reaches the stowed position. Then, push down slightly on each side of the folded soft top as you slide the lock levers on the driver and passenger side lift assist mechanisms into the lock position. Then, push down on each side of the folded soft top to make sure it's secure. You may hear a click once it locks into place. Finally, wrap the 2 hook and loop fastener straps around the linkage to secure the top. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information